last one of this 3-part exercise is we have our elbows bent like so. And the breath is going to be, again, the master breath through the mouth like that. This is called an O-shaped mouth with the breath of fire. We're going to be moving the arms outward, but heavily inward, bringing them in like a heavy hammer blow. Full force and strength, all right? This is going to really shake a lot of energy into the body. Now on this one, we do have our thumbs connected to the sides of the hands and the fingers are very stiff. Remember, the physical force is for the inward movement. So let's make our mouth into an O. Let's look at the tip of the nose again. Sit tall, set ourselves. Notice that my arm is not going all the way out, it's just going out to here. And really use the full force inward. Keep going. Now inhale deep and keep the movement going as fast as you can. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shake energy into every cell of the body on this last one. Now just relax, and it's important to sit very still and go into a deeply relaxed state of being for at least 1 minute. This is the integration part of this 9-minute exercise, building physical health and mental clarity. Kriyas are always designed very specifically and very intentionally. Each exercise builds on the other to have a certain outcome, and this relaxation is a part of it. So as you sit and just slow the breath down, hands are in the Gyan Mudra, connecting your index, your Jupiter finger to your thumb. And also just place your hands in your lap if you're feeling inclined to do that. And just breathe long and deep. Remain seated tall. You can also lie down if you choose. Good. Take a breath in and exhale. Sat Nam.